Not through fear,
not through force,
not through the governments,
through the people. World Peace Pathfinder, I came through the people. Heart full of light and the mission is peaceful. We don't need more walls, we building more bridges. One human family with 1,000 different visions.
World Peace Pathfinder,
Born of the sun, calling every nation till the healing begun.
not through the throne, not through the crown.
Peace through the people, let the love come down. I seen pain in the world, but I still see the gold. I seen young hearts tired from the stories they've been told. Everybody want peace, but the system move cold. So we plant new seeds where the old roots hold. Peace don't start in a palace with a speech. Peace start when a stranger got a hand you can reach. Peace start where the children still teach, where the elders still pray, and the mothers still preach. Now I preach from a pulpit, preach from the life. How to turn heavy days into beautiful light. How to sit with difference and not turn to fight. How to see another soul without losing your sight. We ain't here to erase what make us unique. Every color, every culture got a note to speak. When the heart gets strong and the pride get meek, the strongest bridge between nations is the people in the street. One hand reach, then another reach back. One small light, make the whole sky crack. If peace got a sound, let the horn blow now. Let it move through the people and shake the whole ground.
World Peace Pathfinder,
I came through the people, heart full of light, and the mission is
peaceful. We don't need more walls,
we building more bridges. One human family with 1,000 different visions.
World Peace Pathfinder,
Horn of the sun, calling every nation till the healing begun.
not through the throne,
Not through the crown.
peace through the people, let the love come.
Do it for the children who inherit the earth. Do it for the spirit that was here from birth. Do it for the hands that been covered in dirt, but the new gardens where the old world hurt. Peace ain't weak, peace got spine. Peace got courage when the world draw lines. Peace got vision, peace got grind. Peace is the future being put in real time. Build farms, build schools, build hearts that listen. Build homes where the broken don't feel like they're missing. Build circles where the old pain stops transmitting. Build a world where the next child live different. It's that people to people sacred connection. This that heart-filled global direction. This that love with practical protection. This that new world under construction.
Let every nation keep its song, let every people keep its name.
Let difference be a garden, not a reason for flame. We do not
Need sameness,
to become one family.
we need respect,
We need responsibility.
we need remembrance.
Peace is not silence, peace is not surrender. Peace is the decision to build a future where the children are not forced to inherit our wars. The people,
The people,
through the heart,
world peace begin.
where the real bonds start.
Through the people,
To the land,
one world rising,
hand in hand.
world peace pathfinder,
I came through the people, heart full of light, and the mission is
peaceful.
we don't need more walls, we're building more bridges. One human family with 1,000 different visions.
World peace pathfinder,
Horn of the sun, calling every nation till the healing begun.
not through the throne,
Not through the crown.
peace through the people, let the love come down.
World Peace Pathfinder, stand for the future, not as a ruler, but a human bridge builder. If the world needs healing, let the heart lead now.
Peace through the people, let the love come down. Peace through the people,
Love through the land,
heart to heart.
hand to hand.
Peace through the people,
Future begins.
build for the children.
Let the world heal within. The strongest bridge between nations was never politics, it was people. The future will not be protected by hatred.
It will be protected